told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. We're sharing the stories of two inspiring women who are making their mark in very different ways. First, let's talk about Lyliana Wray. Lyliana Wray is an American actress born on December 30, 2004. She started acting at a very young age and became widely known after playing the role of Angel in the 2016 movie Maximum Ride. She later appeared in TV shows like The Night Shift and Blackish, and in 2022, she was seen in the hit movie Top Gun Maverick as the daughter of Jennifer Connelly's character off screen. Lyliana is kind-hearted and loves animals and is currently training her dog, August Rex Ray, to become a service dog. Now moving on to Mariah Taylor. Mariah Taylor is a plus-size model and body positivity supporter. Originally from Sierra Leone, she moved to the United States around 2020 to chase her modeling dreams. She believes strongly in self-love, confidence, and embracing your body no matter the size. She studied in Maryland and proudly represents her hometown. Her journey continues to inspire many people around the world. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.